Good evening. Welcome to Do Your Own Research Labs podcast show. I'm here with my friend. So I'll just let him introduce himself and then we start our conversation. So please go ahead and introduce yourself.
Hi, everyone. My name is Labore. I'm
Mm-hmm.
Togolese. I'm from Togo. Yeah, I'm Gabriel and a community builder.
Yeah, welcome to our show finally. I think we met with you in one of our builder residency in Ethiopia.
Yeah,
And yeah, we talked and I really wanted to have you on the show over there, but there are so many activities going on, so we decided to arrange to virtually meet. So how is Togo, man? How is everything over there?
okay. Yeah, I can say actually everything about blockchain out in Togo growing
It's
than
growing.
last year. Yeah.
Mm. Mm. So probably tell the world a little bit about yourself. How did you, or rather, what was your life before you discovered crypto? What were you doing? Yeah.
Okay, thank you. Yeah, I'm a software engineer.
Mm.
I have learned um, I have learned to become a developer. After that, I want to receive my certification. For that, I need to build some products and yeah, send to my university and receive the certification. That is the best moment, the moment where I have know about blockchain because the founder for the office where I'm working to yeah, working on my product to my campus is a developer. He traveled also to go to Paris every time. She talk every time about blockchain, something like that. That is the, the moment where I have received some yeah something about blockchain. After that, I have do many research to know more about blockchain. I have learned I received some certification in Benos. I'm a Benos ambassador. I received yeah some reward trophy in Benos. That is the main yeah where I have know more about blockchain. And yeah, the next tip is because I'm a developer, I need to become a Web3 developer. For
Mm.
that, I have learned more in autodidact because the scholarship is very high if you want to yeah to become a Web3 developer. Apply for like Alira in France or Paris. The school fees is very high. For that, I is learning DAO, your alchemy and YouTube video to yeah to become a Web3 developer.
So you got into blockchain through your employer. She was always talking about blockchain, and then you got interested, right?
Yeah.
Interesting. And I didn't know there are some programs for teaching people about blockchain in France. So because of the
Okay.
because of the high fees, after you learnt about blockchain, you wanted to go over there to study, but the fee was very high. So you joined
Yeah.
me in YouTube University. Interesting.
Mm.
Yeah, it's a really nice story how you got into blockchain. Some of us got into blockchain through scams. You're actually the first person I've heard who used a safer route to come into blockchain. Most of the people I interact with are through Ponzi schemes or scams. Like me, for
Yeah.
example, I got into blockchain because of Bitcoin investments with very high
Yeah.
returns.
Mm-hmm.
Then I lost so much money. Then eventually I started learning on my own. So that's, yeah. But today we are here with you. We just want to hear about you. Yeah, I just wanted you to also speak about the Togo community as a whole. How is the blockchain communities over there, or can you give us a short story of your first blockchain event that you attended in Togo, or who organized it?
Okay, yeah.
Can you
I don't
remember it?
remember my
Ah,
first event, blockchain event, but I know I have hosted my first event um, in collaboration with Benos, because I'm
Finance
Benos
ambassador.
ambassador. Yeah,
Oh,
I
I
have
see.
hosted my first event with Benos in 2023. Yeah,
2023.
that
Yeah.
is my first event. Yeah.
Yeah, I actually
Mm,
saw. Oh, okay, you can go on. I saw a photo of you
yeah,
with, is it Dosi, Jack Dosi,
yeah,
some
Jack Dorsey.
time back. Was he in Togo, or did you go to Bitcoin
No,
Miami?
in Kenya, in Kenya.
Oh, you came to Kenya before.
Yeah, last year.
Ah, I think that's actually the first time I saw you, but I wasn't in that event, but I saw a photo of you and him trending some time back. So very
Okay,
nice. You are telling me
okay.
about the state of Web3 in Togo. So how is
In
it? Do
Togo.
you have developers or traders? What's happening over there?
Okay, actually, there are many developers. I can say,
Mm.
yeah, it is okay. But last year, they are not a developer. They are someone, but she not have the capacity to, yeah, to say I'm a Web3 developer, or to be in the early, like social media, say
Wow.
something about Web3, or I know there are someone, uh, I know 3 or 5 person who is a Web3 developer,
But
but he is in background. He
they're
don't
not
say
active.
anything about Web3. Yeah,
But
but actually I have put another developer to learn Web3. For
uh,
example, I have collaboration with Web3 Blitz to put
uh,
4 developer in Togo to learn Web3 in Nigeria. Yeah, and other collaboration with another community. For
mm,
example, last week I have make a collaboration with Dev3 Pack to put women in Web3 to become a Web3 developer. Yeah.
mm, uh, is Dev 3 Park Togolese startup? Should I call it startup?
No, no, it's European startup, but
You
I have a relationship with the founder.
Oh, it's a European startup.
Yeah.
Interesting. Yeah, so I know about Web3 Bridge, and West Africans usually uh, they're very vibrant about what they build. So I don't know about the Togo side of West Africa. I'll use my very good friends like in Nigeria as an example. They are very
mm,
vibrant about what they build. So even if they were just four, at least we would hear about them. Yeah. So
yeah.
could you also just talk about some collaborations that you've done? Because I've heard you talk about Web3 Park, Web3 Bridge. Are there any other collabs that you're doing or you're looking forward to?
Okay. Okay. After to answer this question, I want to tell some story about what I'm doing in Togo. Yeah.
Yes.
Um, um, about this use case, about blockchain use case. My goal is want to share this use case where I'm new to everybody.
Mm.
For that, the best way and the unique way is to have a community, or to be early to talk about a blockchain. Yeah, in tech events or every event. For that, I have created our community, Africa Blockchain Community. Yeah, there are just 2 goals. First goal is to democratize blockchain, to
In
talk more about blockchain in webinar, Web3 talk. and yeah, in tech events to talk about blockchain. And the second point is to help everybody to become a Web3 developer or to make a good transition. If you are a community manager, to become a Web3 community manager, a developer, become Web3 developer. Yeah, for that, you need to make a good job and many collaboration. Mhm. In the Africa Blockchain Program, you have webinar every Saturday and Web3 Builder Talk every Thursday. Web3 Builder Talk is invite someone who builds some product in Web3 to talk about their use case, something. Yeah, we do that every Thursday to help everybody to know a Web3 or in Web3 or blockchain, you can develop this solution or this application to for this use case. Yeah, that is the goal for this session. And uh, every yeah and tech event talk about blockchain. Yeah. Um, After that, every week we have too many job and anything. Uh, Now the next is to make a collaboration with global community. Yeah, to say there are a community in Togo to talk about blockchain or um, receive opportunity to share with the member for the community. Yeah, that
Mm.
is why I have do many collaboration. Um, I, in collaboration, there are many. There are many. Um, my first collaboration is Stella, West Africa.
Mm. Stella.
I have host the first Stella meetup in Togo. After that, I have host the first ECP meetup in Togo. I have host the first Trésor Academy in Togo. I have put Togo in the Africa, the Bitcoin map in Africa. Web3 Bridge, ETH Nigeria, Web3 Global Conference. I have do community partner with many conference. Yeah, Web3 Global Conference. Ethiopia Conference, I'm a partner, community partner. Um, Global Web3 Conference in Dubai also, I'm a community partner. Yeah. And
Mm.
other yeah, community.
Yeah, you are now also a partner with Do Your Own Research Labs, our
Yeah.
podcast show.
Mhm.
Yeah, so yeah, invite me over some webinars. I can also help you just talk about
Yeah.
blockchain in your community. Yeah, virtually, even physically, someday. I want to see and visit Togo and see the people you are. I think you're doing a very tough and good job, like being the first to bring Stellar, Bitcoin, and everything. Yeah, so keep up with the work. Uh, you'll be the first to bring me to Togo. So
Yeah.
yeah, I think
Actually, I have some information, but I can tell after. Yeah,
yeah,
to bring more people to Togo. Yeah,
uh-huh.
I'm working in. Mm,
So apart from ABC, Africa Blockchain Community,
okay,
yeah,
yeah.
you are also a software developer. Are there any products that you've shipped on chain, on the blockchain?
Okay. Yeah, I have worked for CodeNet as a web developer.
For
Actually, CodeNet is a
coordinate.
solution
Uh,
where you can your data. For example, you want to buy a car. But in normal life, you cannot receive information about the car, the date where you have created the car, uh, um, the number of year the car starts, your point, something like that. Yeah, CodeNet save all information about your car, the model, the all, the paper. For example, you are the first you are the first owner for the car. You have used this car for 2 years. Every information is in the blockchain. uh, the car have many problems. They all information is safe, and you can receive invitation where you want to sell this data, the car data, for someone who can repair the car, or other constructor who want to create another car with the same model to repair the problem who this car have already done. That is the, the product where I have worked on. But I'm work just in the back end,
Mm.
not in the front end.
Interesting idea. So coordinator. You'll probably send me the link. I check them out. So is it
Okay,
global or
after.
just in Togo? Coordinate.
It's just in France, Paris, not for
Ah,
Africa.
it's in,
But you can, yeah, because if you want to use in Africa, you need some office who create a car, who repair a car to be in collaboration, to have a good data.
so
Actually,
the
the
Parisian.
Paris, the project have a collaboration with some car creator,
Mm,
and every automobile, reparator.
yeah, that's a very interesting use case. I haven't ever thought of that.
Okay.
Nice. Even the product that you shipped in the builder residency is also a
Good,
really
yeah,
nice one. You
yeah.
should talk about it. Yeah, everyone loved it. I think
Okay,
I'll
yeah.
pin the link to
Me,
the video in this episode description so that people will see
okay.
it.
Um, okay.
Do you
In
plan to
Togo,
ship it?
mm, in Togo, there are many border.
Ah,
In Togo, border, calling them or Zemija.
mm,
That is the name. And
Zemija.
I can say there are 50% and 30% for every people who have border or them, and someone use that to to have many money to do something, because someone can say they are not job,
Mm,
but you can take your border and receive money to do some tasks for that. And Gozem. Gozem is something like that, but you can order. There are app for that. Order the car or order border when you want to go somewhere. But me, every day where I use Gozem, the car, I talk with the driver, and I receive feedback. Someone say there are not money actually, because there are many drivers who use this solution, and the percentage for the developer or the founder for this solution is very high, and we can work every day, but you don't receive money to to support your family.
mm.
That is the why. And for example, you are the driver for Gozem. If you work, it's not your money.
It's for Gozem
They,
Company.
and he give you the just some
A small
percentage.
percentage.
Mm-hmm. And the car is not for you.
Does the car belong to the driver or for Gozem?
Another person.
Ah,
There are some people. There are many intermediate in the solution. The app is just for them. The car is another person, and
the driver
you
is
are
also
just
another
the
person.
driver.
Yeah, I think.
After working, you don't have money to But if you have your hour car, that is interesting.
Mm,
Mhm. For that, you need to build chapaaride who everybody can receive, especially her amount. For example, I don't have a car. I'm just a driver. You want to use chapaaride. You can make. a percentage for everybody. If you order using chapaaride, if you book your travel after, if you book the amount is share automatically. For example, chapaaride can receive 10%. The car, the owner for the car can receive 30%, and the driver can receive the rest. Every person will receive their amount automatically. They are not intermediate. But if you use GoZem, after you done everything, you need to go to GoZem to do a report, and go to the car owner to do and work, to pay for him. And if the car is down, is your hours, not for the owner for the car. There are many,
Many
dependents
intermediaries.
in the situation. Yeah.
Yeah, I think we'll organize another podcast with your two co-founders. Then we'll talk extensively, specifically to chapaaride, and
Yeah.
I
Mm.
think it's a really good solution, and you should ship it on net, and it should go
Okay.
live. Yeah, I guess maybe we talk a little bit about how people can probably reach you, because you are a very should I call you very influential, because what you've told me, you're dealing with so many, you're trying to bring a lot of blockchain communities to Togo. So maybe you have another call, I don't know. So yeah,
And
we can have a series of episodes. This one can be one of them. Then yeah, so if probably another blockchain wants to come to Togo, how can they reach you? Can you share your LinkedIn, Twitter,
yeah,
or
I can. Yeah.
the best way
After
to
the call,
reach you?
I can share for you.
Yeah, I will put them in the episode descriptions, but you can just say it out. Maybe your Twitter and your LinkedIn.
Okay. LinkedIn, every social media, I use my real name, Labore, Agbechafi Kojo Labore. For example, if you go to LinkedIn, you type Labore or Agbechafi, you can see my profile. Yeah, in Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, you tap Labore, you can see it. Yeah.
Yeah. So, how many global events have you attended?
Okay, last year I have attended my first Web3 event, global Web3 event is the Web3 Lagos conference last year
In
in
Nigeria.
Nigeria. Yeah,
Mm,
that is sponsored with Web3
Bridge.
GS because I am a lead for Web3 GS ambassador.
Oh, 3GS.
Yeah.
Don't know which.
After that, I have attended Python Accra
Mm, in Ghana.
in Ghana. Yeah, I have attended also Afro Bitcoin conference. I'm a fellow for ABC last year.
Mm-hmm. Very
and
nice.
uh, Ethiopia. This year, I want to attend every Web2 conference, global conference, Africa or another country.
I can
Yeah,
shield you a few. There is XCC in France. Now that you know French, you will really enjoy. I
yeah,
think it's end of June. XCC. There is
June.
Dev Connect in Argentina.
Yeah, they've connect Argentina. Yeah, I
Yeah,
want to
then
attend this. Yeah.
everyone wants to attend.
Mm.
I hope we go. Then there is It's Safari in Kenya.
Yeah.
It's a really interesting one.
This
Hopefully
year,
next. Yeah,
I can come many times in Kenya.
yeah. Please come.
I'm speaker for Code Africa in
Uh,
May.
yeah, so you will be here in May.
Yeah,
Very nice. There's Code Africa, of course, happening in May.
yeah,
Yeah, I'm friends with Joan and Lumala. They're doing great stuff. Lumala in Uganda,
yeah.
Joan in Kenya. I don't know about the others, but I think there are so many people involved. yeah, so yeah, there's so many events going on. So I hope to see you in all of them. Even me, I hope to attend most of them. Yeah, I guess yeah, that's all about the events. So please keep building and keep shaping. And
Yeah.
yeah, I hope to see many Togolese in the space. Is it because you people are working so much with the French uh, companies, so
Uh,
the best builders are just working with the French? That's why you don't see many of you, or what's
I
happening?
don't know, but for me, everybody need to, yeah, to talk English because if you want to attend another level, you need English.
No, no,
That
I'm
is
talking
the,
about
yeah.
your developers, the blockchain developers in Togo.
No,
Do they build with the French companies a lot? That's why. Uh,
I don't know, but
ah,
there are someone who not want
in the
to be in
public.
public. Yeah.
Ah, they're undoxed. Is it undoxed or doxed? They want to be pseudonymous.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. Thank you so much for showing up to our show. Please share with your friends and your communities about your own research labs. I also do extensive blockchain and crypto education and just onboarding. I think we have the same goals. My goal is also just to onboard so many people, the community in the blockchain space, and also to engage with people like you are doing so much. So hopefully we can continue to spearhead this and continue. I mean, talking about blockchain and stuff. Uh, Maybe you should come and do a French topic. Then I'll also post it in my website so that
Okay.
I get some French
Yeah.
viewers as well.
Mhm.
Yeah, unless you have anything else to add, that's all for tonight's show. Please follow Do Your Research Labs in Twitter. It's just DYR Labs at DYR Labs. And our website is fully on site. I'll link it in the description. Also, to our listeners, I wish you came for this. There's a very big crypto conference by our friends. They're called Kenya Blockchain Crypto Conference. They'll be having a super big event this coming June. So I'll also share the links to how to get the tickets and how to show up for the events. Labore, if you have time, you can show up for that too. It's in 12th June, 12th and 13th June. Uh, Maybe you can show up, and also you can advertise with some of your friends who wants to come to Kenya to do something. So yeah, thank you, and see you in the next one. Oh, and just a final one. I always say none of crypto and blockchain is financial advice. I think you've muted. Yeah, but in as much as you've muted, we have finished the show. So see you in the next episode.
Okay.
Bye. Thank you.